so eduonu yatena se yede agudie mu nsema yato ne din tip off ena ebrel ene anopei ejekum blankson junior ene mi din ubetimi afremi Orlando mene miaminua Bentum Richardson dodo na friend Ember Power ono nso e de yebekọ enkofo nkro so ne yakọ ensema ekoso ewo ho na ye hye ensema na se e de every Ghana Premier League ni ma endra ene ye catch us say one match ebekọ so ewo Legon University Sports Stadium eho ena Legon Cities omni Nations FC enso etimi edeboy ni akense ne ba na wie no na Nations FC omawuramu akwakwhye Legon Cities eka baako enan ama Legon Cities for no etimi ate ekanim baako entisisi ame no ka say Legon Cities omukọ relegation omuye out of the Ghana Premier League next season ye bo Ghana Premier League uhu Legon Cities enso ewo Ghana Premier League ni biem esanse aka 3 matches ena omo bebo sisi a omo wo 25 points enti omo wini omo 3 matches aka ni nyina omo benya 34 points de ne points so akra so Accra Lions enso ewo 35 points enso eho enti enuntino ama Legon Cities omo relegation na obekaya eyade se timi encheye ebe se 5 seasons ago ena omo to timi from Wow Stars omo change dino ebeye Legon Cities asamwaja mu nyina abotim we bi pen ene next season ye hu omo enso ewo the Ghana Premier League mubium eno ensema yebo eche edema na head coach edema Kumasi Asante Roko coach Karim Zito wode nsem kakra atudwa yebusa ne se coach na isia oba Asante Roko no ye kai se ode to supporters ni nyina nim se players no omo feel so comfortable ewo baby omo te and afin so omo sign so relax na oba ye no ade se improvement abana.
Now I talk to them, they listen, and this is how I want you to do things for me, and they do it. And you know they are grown up, some with wives and children. So that is where the management area comes in. You don't have to be shouting. Even if I shout, you know, this one day I'm shouting because you did this or you did that. You understand me? But that doesn't mean I don't like you. I'm shouting to the thing you did, not you. You understand me? So I couple of so many things, and seriously, they enjoy training with me. When you come to our training grounds, you've been coming there. We joke as if I'm not even the coach. I'm like their father. We all joke.
Coach Karim Zito, and it is Ansamno and so Atuja Ochemo Party Asisia. Asante Roko players, much improvement, and so etmiaba in terms of match fitness level and offensive relationship with a technical team, one who say improvement, and so etmiaba. Na and side to just say Obebo the goalkeepers coach, Joba and so abaso esanse wabua ama Asante Roko goalkeepers no sisiano. Washepu especially Muhammad Kamara, they were starting attack. And so Edema Kumasi Asante Koroko.
I think Joba, I talked to Joe. Joba was my goalkeeper when I was 2018 with Fatah Uweko. When we went to finals with Nigeria, with the goalkeepers trainer, he knows how I want him to work with my goalkeepers. Because they are last line of attack and their first line of attack. So last line of defense and the first line of attack. So they are very, very important. So day in, day out, has been working on them seriously. That is the magic. Yeah, that's the magic.
Thank you.
Coach Karim Zito and it is Ansamno and so etimi etuja efa hawa sisi goalkeepers coach Joba and so eba ono so etimi abeboa Asante Roko goalkeeping department and so ama bibia etimi akoye na abrantia your friend Kwame Poku and so etimi akasa afa ne partnership with Albert Amwahu. Entino yebehena omama Kwame Poku ebrana o chechere eyesisi abrantie friend Albert Amwa on any partnership no de wa enoma ekoye edemom.
I support each other. Sometimes they do a situation where we say we are selfish and this maybe almost not being willing to all decide and say we both we are brother and visa. Until now they support each other, every pushing on to push me, also shot. Now I'm so motivated some shot, now motivating to say on special now pushing I think say night me give out our best.
Eno Kwame Poku Beye and it is 72 and saying and from say this one Albert Amwa. They say Omonka Edru Park and so wenya on Peso be Piama way no San no Krebia and so enim debiano omume kisho say Kwame Poku Shegwa obe me kisho say Albert and so obetu the fosi won shebi sanso na Albert sha no so aka che Kwame say on shebi nti nanu Albert Shegwa no na Kwame Poku and na assist no amana timi a share no de San 72 no we no and no da ni teammate no and so as say omo boane pa.
For me, they are coupons to send their mighty winning because in the game be there, so we really wanted to win so that a bit me push it or yourself up there and then that teammate for us for the support. They support each other and they will be able to do it.
Eno Kwame Poku Beye and it is San Semino and so etimi atuja na yenko coach Kasim Mingle Okanse. On the head coach Edema Leg team my friend in Nations FC. Na Endra Otimi Ramu Ewo Legon Ekocha Legon Cities Ekaba Kubako and 9 Ebra Omonso Ete Karimbako. Na the second half no Okasafa approacher Omdira second half.
In the second half, we changed the face of our game and they could not stand the tempo. So they control and we take advantage and score our goals. They came, they want to, because on upset, you need to see the first half the way they were playing. But when we came in the second half, when we changed, we increased the tempo of the game. They couldn't match it. We started scoring the goal.
Eno coach Kasim Mingle Okanse, head coach Edema Nations FC. Sisi ade Ghana Premier League no omo ena eda esroa aka 3 matches. The next game obebo Samates owie Samates now akọ Baseke Holy Stars now obebo the last game against Heart of Lions. Na game we no ye betra se full time near hemu ye pa na Nations FC fans no area atuja say this is the omashe kotoko omashe house na team be biem and a Nations entimi show mo Angel League no
League when you are ready it is a kotomle what is ohuya e twa kotomle ya sha house ya sha kotoko the two better go wala say your home asani ma 2 babo ya kwa we ba you know league ndi abako bi dey fala ya tise kotomle
eno Nations FC fans ready say no tuja no mu refi say omo be ko Baseke Holy Stars Baseke for so relegation no how omo party sa game no be decider enso area Nations for the papa and also ensem kakra ye de etuja na coach Kwaku Danso or head coach Edema Bechem United or the ensem kakra atuja area for Ghana Premier League table no enso ehu
this is fair for woman that no and obia na make and so obia for ta search for no that is ba no o da search for no said o musiba it o ulusu wa match cry try ba actually 2 steps. Okay. It for now, it's difficult to predict who is going to win the league.
And so coach Kwaku Danso, head coach Edema Bechem United, and the San Semino Etuja, or select table no points in the Bobon to lose game. Na eto kwechire uwinia na edo basoro and also no reno and what their footwork kakra Edema Bechem United, and so a fans and they say Omunyabutre pa.
That's supporters. Obia manaba mumu ye mo league ni nyi obia mfampa enteche matches aka no yentimi weni na ye hwe se no ma be kwanimu edi amaye
eno footwork akra head coach Edema Bechem United Kwaku Danso and so Ediama ne supporters ne se munyabotre na mon come down league no yenya enso emo inwie e wo hono mo na mo mami Emmanuel Sapon Emmanuel Sapon Brekum Chelsea attacker, yes, Abrante way. And everybody chema house of folk. Omani di Abrante way cheap papa coach. Your friend Bubaka Watara. Nani di Abrante nechi or your option. And so Edemano say Ebase season no corner no more recruitment Abrante way. Coach Bubaka Watara. Den and so house of folk. And no answer manoboka cry boche and so etimi edi amount. Na mumma me goalkeepers no start no na afen so ye entimi enhwe hawa Ghana Premier League and also goalkeepers no almost start no they were and also esi efatie yes bibia and so ekoye and so edima ye goalkeepers no in the Ghana Premier League na mumma me Black Stars goalkeepers ni ehwe yes Mumma me Black Stars goalkeepers normal performance. Yes. They say goalkeeper Benjamin Asare or a goalkeeper and so Edema Black Stars 25 matches we keep 16 clean sheets. I concede 11 goals and so El Honomo. Now Abrantia your friend Lawrence Artizigi 37 matches and Abrantia another we keep 6 clean sheets. And we conceded 51 goals. Ember Power. 51 goals in 37 matches. And a Abrantia friend Lawrence Atizigi. And so etimi a conceded. And a so Joseph Wallacott. Jojo Wallacott. No. On also 33 matches. We keep 4 clean sheets. And we conceded 65 goals. And so and a so Danlad Ibrahim. 28 matches. Abranteno equipu 18 clean sheets. And after so we conceded 14 goals. And so honimo. Enti enche Blasters call up no eba betoja. Ususu se goalkeepers we mono. And na ye daso no. Miensa bay. And I am from and Francobosa 4 Nation tournament. And also Ebas and Bimuchema. Your goalkeepers now 1 man on Atizigini Jojo Wallacott no performance no and so any and so Mumma Black Queens. Almost so echo trading tour. And so our Ivory Coast a friendly match. Ebeba so 30th of May. Na omo and so squad no etimi ababe toja. Yenhe e mabawa coach. Kimla and so Eddie Omoko. Ababawa, your friend is Cynthia K. Findip or no goalkeeper. And I so Kera McCarthy, Kobe, Afi Ameyeku and so Ekao Josephine, Bonsu, and I so Presla Adobia, Nina Noshai and so Ekaobi, Anastasia Echan, Susan Dia, and I so Portia Abuache, Ernestina Abambila, and I so Louisa, Eniwa. Baba wa your friend Jennifer Kujo and I so Grace Asantua Nancy Amo and I so Jacqueline Ousu Evelyn Bedu and I so Stella Nyameche Breminde Shia Stella Nyameche and I so Doris Bwadua and so Ekahubi Chantel Boy and so Ebekobi and I so Alice Kusi or no so Eka Timini Obe Princess Mafu and I so Abigail Kofi Kim and I so Sharifatu Sulem Sumaila and I so Grace Echampon we ene Mabawa Coach Kimla Edo Muremu Ewo Ivory Coast na so Omako training tour na friendly match with Ivory Coast no Mabawa no and also etimi Abaso Ewo Honomo we enso ense Mamenka wo se Endra Gaka omonso ekoshia ade say Ministry of Youth and Sports and Recreation, Honorable Kofi Adams, yes, Endra, Omukoshia, Ekoya, Gaka Tofo, no, and so Ebetimi Abaso, and Alfenso, President Cup, no, and also Omukodi won't come Ekoya, Sa tournament in no, and also Ebetimi Abaso, Yebejana, so na yet the F7 and so Esia, and then Arope, na Fenso, Emba, Eddie Yako, and Kofon Crusoe, na Yako and Kofon Crusoe, there. Mamencha Joanna Obey on your minyonko Mamencha and Anope. Debia Omonita show no from Facebook. Joanna baby I will be a chow and Anope. Powers.
Hola.
Maybe I will call there.
Maybe I will
come up.
You're the uncle Ponce.
asa no pay when ya je o man hini de wa na owura trotro for the same nim.
Oh, say o shase ya che na odi wuduma.
Ya kan from afida dem. Oni minister credit hu nkomo ba mienu kra.
Dia kan sempe for betu wana mo. I think last week na bete bibi say o ma shase mutu wana mo but say na yen yate
so much as police for mu na gina ho no ma jiskama trotro drivers na
on say na make come back obichira wa ya
o ma
make come back obichira no pe ya na serious serious
Liverpool so je league ni we basa
Yankwamana ni nkomo kakra me pato Grace mame teams and they go through final a free conference league ekosi UEFA Champions League no mame sa picture no e was Sompa television no so ni nkomo kakra woni me say wugram na wo hwasa say de tenie and say repetis boboko no wam finish 6 awo La Liga table no so and what no Chelsea finish 5th Ewo Premier League table no so hwade we very synonymous and what no ukwa UEFA Europa League na Tottenham Hotspur finish 16 ewo Premier League table no so Bobo Quantity and so at the Manchester finish 15 elsewhere Champions League no first Paris Saint-Germain our Liga no us against Inter Milan and also at the second our Italian Serie A very interesting and no ya the etogana no ba fatum Sompa TV ne so na mintin komo kakra Tottenham Hotspur bobo no enra ana musu kodu Spain abonten so and we mo check in yanhwe time omurem our team hotel and team no akwakodu ahead of the game abeko so nyame yadoma edachuna dia meeting sa Manchester United boboko no and so touch down that day no makwakohwe se bibia nso no enso betumi akoso na bibia nso etuma ye kama eno eye dia uguso a wo hwe no Sompa ayo television so enete no me patro UEFA from penny for adamo powerhouse Tottenham Hotspur Bobo United Ebano opinion the at the Felix Via from Germany on the ball center and not line 1 no I am Mr. Robert A. Kempter on the best major line 1 line 2 no I am Christian Diaz on the major line 2 fourth official I am Mauricio I am Marioni on every Italy memo me patro VAR I am Boston Dunked on also every Germany and non UEFA from penny for no Yamoda to powerhouse enim so nyame yadoma that game na bekoso no penny for we nkwohwe na bibia so ntumi enye kama na memfanto obia nim Sunday UEFA 4 and players ni tinkomo kakra yanko Manchester United bobo na so ye players obia amaye ni idol from Bruno Fernandes yente omo kakra on Sompa 93.1.
So, who was your football idol growing up?
My first one, Ronaldinho, obviously. Then growing up, Cristiano.
Messi.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ronaldinho.
Eden Hazard. Cristiano and Messi, but I think Neymar also.
Lionel Messi. Ashley Cole.
Van der Sar.
Ronaldinho.
Zinedine Zidane.
Francesco Totti.
Nani, because I was a winger.
So, who was your football idol growing up?
My first one, Ronaldinho, obviously.
Okay, nti eno United players no enso eno no UEFA for no mutin komo no obi so obi asem why do ye hwan enti ube hu se Bruno Fernandes ne idol ball wura Ronaldo the assess morere gaucho do na friend se Ronaldinho no eno de to twa no afi mbon wura mo basse kakran kwatin komo woni se enra opinion de one Laporta being the president for the club edin komo bebre and also there will be a lot of changes in our squad this summer. Enti basa baboko no yebehu new faces kakra na me yadoma transfer with Tony Bia obehu some basa baboko no and so be some additions kakra no matum their strengthen squad no opening be here no say our rivals will also strengthen because they have seen that our team is the best right now. And Madrid more, Atletico Madrid more, me pato Sevilla ni club samaka. I was penabontesono or be strengthen the club. And so also the Ebeya. And then season start here. We must bet to compete favorably. And no ayogra in summer or the two powers and another pay and you go side in summer ahutono at the MA for I was so with so Mami Lami Jamal and so just number 10. Sasia Diamin second from the camp of Barca. She be a young starting this next season, Obemu Salami Yama or no, and the iconic number 10 in Penifadi Bamano, Nebian Sweat Macaso, and Ayadamin second at Yaguso, yet in Samahotum Adepa, Nebian Sweat at me Ayakama, Afimin Tosun Consambu from more, with himself Brighton or whole Fabian, woman unbeaten in all of their Premier League games about this season against the top 6 and also the big 6. It was season where interestingly it was fear against United. Omushamu 3-2-1 against Tottenham Hotspur. Omubomu 3-2 against Manchester City. Omushamu 2-1 against Arsenal. Omubo 1-1 against Chelsea. Omushamu 3-0. The battle against Liverpool, champions of the Premier League, you know. Wamusamu 3-2. A interesting 16 points. And the Bobo Konus Amosi a total of 18 points. Also, Musakano. When we are 16, very interesting. And I am Brighton at home against the Big 6. I will Premier League this season. No, and so again, somebody be a total and pay. You go Friday, some out on the bar. Never be on some Atumaya Kama. Men fan to a Bianim Senra. And I better just accrediting at Alvaro. I am Alvaro. I am Carraros, no, or no, or Johnny Bobo Quantitain at the Real Madrid to a stance of Pena. Your friends say Juni, a year Calafat, and in Openia friends say Jose, and June Sanchez, and Peliformiano, and a Mupushi for this boy. So be Johnny Madrid Bobo Kuno, and not a reporter Nepa, and now pay a good side in some autono, and the Panabi Biansono, and to me Ayakama, the patch of Bopper Grace, Mam Andrew Santos. Mam in the picture, the boy way, or your Chelsea player. Na performance no from kakra enti wo modina kwabosha nimpa no mo na bobosia no kwa ha no akobolon no afri ha no akobolon se no ball adema shroud boboboko no ewo France abonten so at the end of the season or back to Chelsea na me patro enra and on one kasa a release statement and the bebe two and statement no very simple although obiase or catch penifono say ojidisa one day oba Samson ababak abebe shaka diama club no or say I had the privilege of being captain and it was a captain ampano and na born in sano ojidi se dia webesua our club ni mono odi kwa Chelsea bibia be koso kama and so etumi edi amano eno ayen some enu so twatwa no pay ani egu side in some out ade pa na bibia so etumi aya kama ola we duane a wo pay ade asefufu ya but she we aye Chelsea player your friend Moses Caicedo ono na duane nie o se dia fense cappuccino no anase cappuccino uko ayen US ni England na cappuccino na kroma de obeka cappuccino ni ade na akra no ase na duane pa ayiwo ya eno aye coffee no wama na aye hot kakra wunum na makenu wani anase afomu anase efomu wani no ase ehuro no abani ano ose na duane ano no na ose aduane we anase drink we so onoma. Oh, so because of say caffeinated into a man and you're tired, Debian or stay alert and watching with him say a caffeine medical car say responsible for the blockade of their friends adenosine and no debia ase anwa e wonimpa adwene what I say and no enemu wani ha and no na say wani kum wabre ani ade inte so wonom sa drink we eboa na chese astopo down na we are late ahoden nso ho o say de onum anie enu firi ho a na bia cheese kakra enso akoso and no yogura de ten ade moise kai say do ne so de atotwa and no penny egu side nsam ahoton de pa na bibia nso atum akoso wonim Ricardo Jackson dos Santos late nimpa we your friend Kaka Evangelist Kaka no oko Brazil nyanko ponsam no ka say na oso de tu wiase onim say no wife no at na fa kwan bi so a no wife no ani owura we jaye ola reason ye den a enya sa Kaka ko badwaman Kaka embo no aye simple or say Kaka aye true gentleman or you true gentle nimpa no mono on chabi Inti and one to a Johnson in a jai. Now, said the Africa Castle Panese were completely Harvard University, were confirm at the more powerhouse of Harvard University, were quite business, and so and waiting why yet to maybe or friend more, some of my Brazil 24, and some tomato and safrano, Debia enter, not as well, Bepua, let me be a sweat to my coso, or see, and near Don Carlo and Cholotti Pano, Sir Panasan Cholotti to Safrana, or bet me, and another Yetuma, let me be a sum come and no, I will grant Italian Kaka, dear Fina Swan Sweat Tanano, and to the wife in ye, we no say, Nukuno, I yet gentle dodo on mono and yanahe, on Trebi Uniate, on Chiti on him, on Chiti on her, and simple on in a jai, and I get dear Totanaman fan to obey him, said Jonathan Todd, latest, men Saka from Jonathan Tanya, and say Akaki to a bitil no, a ya you almost done, it sounds personal terms, are you almost 100% complete between the boy and club and Italian Brian and ye Jonathan Tar, dear Fina Science Tota, and on the pay you said in some autono, at the Panabiansono, at to me Ayakama, Afi Yeske Potneanko in Tamilan, Bobo Konaswe Kakao Mania Brain. And sans and they are in contest and some better match. Their friends say Italian Syria. Go met him at JDS Womonaso, Yamaya over the weekend. One more game against Como and Wetino, one more Champions League final game. Our woman Bobo quantity and so at the APAG and never bought into Inter Milan ye and Rat Wamu train Amuya now note. Yen take a craft for Dosa, Wamuche Radio.
Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do. Your body speaks to me. You don't know what you do. Your body.
Inti enon aye Inter Milan Bobo Kono enso eguso awo mu ye training eni preso so de be ya bibian so betima kwaye ade amomo winim sam Mr. Ruben Amorim ono powerhouse edin komo enura ana ode tuta sam se ne dete ene sa umadru final of the UEFA Europa League omo hwe sa again Tottenham Hotspur echina wo betum age de so mo na so but the truth of the matter ni ene sa umudru final na wentuma njia nobody will remember you. Nobody is going to say I was a finalist in this kind of a club. You need to win it. We need to win the final. Yente Ruben Amorim kitwebi na yentwaso.
Excited with the final. It's really important for us. It's massive for us, and we want to give that to our fans.
It's your first major European final as a manager. So how do you think you'll build up to the game? How will you feel?
I feel it's a mixed feeling. I'm really excited, but at the same time I know my responsibility as a Manchester United coach. I had always that feeling of frustration for.
Enti eno aye Ruben Amorim and some of the two channel enti so do final na wanja masamfa so bia ni so eni opinion so de pa na ta yego so ya de hu sama hoto na de ma ye tie for agwo twuma take us power so opinion na ta de one Laporta and oten some kakra dia tuta or say we value Nico Williams as a potential signing aye last summer with Ogre from Santani Omo enti last summer no na aye Nico Williams and Dani Omo na komo hwe so to also 2 players na ba but opening is no mabinti ama Nico Williams eternal and to be and go through as it stands so baby a down seta and yata betumi akofa akranite and so at Nico Williams said to me na ba na be bian so to makoso no opening is sama or the two channel no na one report na yabusan say emra moji La Liga no wunia Florentino Perez ono aye president for Real Madrid one more message wa fro wa congratulate you ana say message is up on the phone so no ebro thousands na ontumi nkani nyina efri da womoje dia efansa La Liga no si womo na so no womu entumi ontumi nkani messages ni nyina na obetima ka dia twewia se so woji La Liga na asa aise kroma akura bia tichani bia o kire akura de akura na bon enti o try so obama na tiase ana o se ola se wo bofrot ba kukura unsem na bofrot no obiti firi unsem akadien o se akanwa utumu se ha train and president in say nay so omoji super copa de España edi so mo na so edi Copa del Rey esanso edi La Liga na Madrid ya kan yanwa amuso betima fa and aye one Laporta so dia Twitter and anope no anchane ye peche mu no memfa nto anim se ogro ye fon se Jamie Carragher dia Twitter so Liverpool club na ade ba kwa abu amom ma this season when we are champions near and so more players bebria obia to misha goal ubenya ayam Diaz or so goals ne bi ubenya more Salah ono so bi atasa players ebimu free bench omu ina ba omu to misha e ma ne boa club by first Liverpool and no and the trick and no and the secret weapon for club by first Liverpool this season and no ayogura ne so sama or the atuta no ye pede amoko mami Oligano Solskjaer Oligano Solskjaer your boss adima Besiktas na wunim say before so kofa club no na mrabi ewo club ni mo say so mu ko canteen so mu kodidia senior players edidia nkora no mo ni mpenefo entrance edidia mani nyeye entin o say mo mpege maduane a mo afiri no na mako new next table and as a table for na nkora na kokodidi enso ho o say sa nyo mani nyina wetwam oban no twam aboa club no Manchester Unity ayetuma enso ewo club your friends Besiktas this season medical dia to enim say Galatasaray and Turkish Super League ewo ho with Oligano Solskjaer coach Besiktas Jose Mourinho coach Fenerbahce wo mu nyina no obia entumante nyame yaduma me pato 9:30 ya ye besan so apare dia ka cheni nyina no yada ba besom yete for wunim say akra ye friend say Oli Watkins akwa ye the waiting wa ye waiting awie ensama egwom ani a cheni nyina no yetena 9:30 ya yade dia ka no ade baba e full time sports na so medi dia ma pa uti Jekum Blanks in Orlando nka ye sorry no omahene yiwadu buache ene morning show team no abetwa so 9:30 full time ye besan so aba ne aba betwa so yakro bibia bye bye.
Nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert. Sciatica no when nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho teche ma eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye. Na eno na 21st Clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st Clinic nkwa womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baby a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st Clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Auntie, Mammy for 20 Ghana. Me pay for phone and quine quan. Sisi asani Ghana Conidia. Your bonus 010. Meme one nuni. Tell you so dear. Yenim so behind in your pay. And nothing I made for me bundle. Your data ne call packages are F4. Nya ma wonkwa. Made for me bundles. Send you we need you home. But *530# not top made for me bundles. Telecel, connecting energies.